This is
Using one for 2 months and needing more storage, I bought a second LaCie rugged HDD mini. Getting a slightly smaller discount, I opted for another 4TB version as that's perfect for my work. Box. Depending on the order, the drive is packed in an outer box, including protecting cardboard and documentation. Like the previous one, the package includes two pieces. The exterior is paper and has the specs, whereas the inner is plastic and carries the device. Also, documentation with more features, such as instructions on using LaCie's app, which is required to register the drive. Convenience. Previously using bus power drives made me appreciate this one a lot. Light and portable, this LaCie rugged HDD mini uses a single cable. It gets power from your computer, which makes it an excellent option for laptop workflows as you don't have to carry a power supply. Setting up the device requires just a few clicks. The app is very streamlined and easy to navigate, and based on personal experience, the disk is very high speed due to its USB-C Thunderbolt 3 connection. This is important for those working with large files needing fast transfers. Just remember to plug your Mac into a power supply to get the highest speed. Editing. Based on my research, some YouTubers use such drives for editing. While that is not me, as I do that on SSDs, it is great for backups, and adding the SSD mini makes for an efficient and reliable combination. Design. The more I see it on my desk, the more I appreciate the orange color and Neil Poulton's design, especially now that they have 3 LaCie drives which I keep on top of each other. Although the design is dope, they should make space gray options that will better complement my space gray MacBook Pro. Reliability. Poulton designed these drives to allude to all things bouncy and robust, particularly a basketball. Unlike other drives, this LaCie rugged HDD mini is drop, splash and shock resistant, and therefore dropping it on the floor won't be an issue. As remarked in the previous video, the drive feels solid and robust. The rubber is nice and grippy, giving a reassuring feel of protection. Using it with the rugged SSD makes me think LaCie really stepped up their game from previous years, and I'm also encouraged by Apple recommending them low-key. Overall, the LaCie rugged HDD mini drives are a reliable, durable and high-performance storage solution that can be used for various applications including creative work, multimedia storage and data backup. They are also broadly available, whereas other brands aren't. Going for about $160, such drives seem great deal for what you get in return, and I recommend them to other creators, especially when combined with the SSD version for editing, but that's just my opinion. Let me know what yours is, such as your solution for backups and editing. Otherwise, like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe for more content like this, check my other works and books, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for your time.